By 2030, artificial intelligence won't just change your job, it will change your entire life. From healthcare to transportation to the very way we think, AI is about to reshape the world faster than ever before. 42% of jobs will transform, not vanish, transform. Your new coworker might not be a person, it might be an AI agent working beside you, analyzing data, solving problems, and finishing tasks in seconds. In healthcare, AI doctors will detect diseases years before symptoms appear. Cancer detection accuracy could reach 99%, and soon, hospitals will come to you through intelligent digital care. Every student will have a personal AI tutor 24 hours a day. Learning will finally fit the student, not the other way around. Self-driving cars will reduce accidents by more than 80%. Millions of lives saved, simply by letting AI take the wheel. But not all change is peaceful. AI warfare is rising. Drone swarms, autonomous weapons, and cyber attacks that begin with nothing more than a line of code. Meanwhile, your home will run itself. Lights, temperature, finances, schedules, all managed by intelligent assistants that learn your habits better than you do. Artists, musicians, filmmakers will create with AI partners that turn imagination into reality in seconds. But the real question isn't what AI will do next, it's who we become when machines learn faster than we do. 2030 is closer than you think.
Subscribe for more futuristic updates.